Hi, this is Dougherty Garden, and this is the tallest palm tree in the Dougherty Garden. That's the Washingtonia Robusta, Washington palm tree. As you can see, the canopy is up there. It's like about 30 feet in the air, if not more. The seeds, on a nice windy day, the seeds will come flying down and run over to the patios where I collect them. And they will just readily drop, because the birds like messing with them and disturbing them, and they fall right below there. So as you can see with my large green leaf plant at the base of the Washingtonia, which is growing, is where most of the seeds end up. And odds are to find one or two always germinating down here. Like right now I can't find any, but this is all that large green leaf. But I know there's at least a bunch of them in there, so one of these days I get back to pulling out the weeds, I will find some more down here. And I can't see anything right now. I can say it's a little cooler, so it takes nice warm weather. And there's raccoons eating all over the place here. I have yet to find one. Oh, Marty no luck today. I know there's a few over there. Oh, there's one right there. There we go. There's nice green Washingtonia. Like I say, very hardy palm. This is survival. One thing I like about the Washington palm, I put it in the ground, was my big mistake, but one thing, if you like a patio palm, these things will live in their youth as they're young. You get a nice canopy of leaves, just like the Chinese fan palm, this leaf structure, and they will look beautiful in a pot. And look at, picture that canopy, miniaturized version in a patio pot. You can get it about a foot, 2 feet pot, and it will literally grow for a couple of years. And if you can't have a tall palm, then you donate it to the green basket and make yourself another one. So thank you for stopping by. Take care. Bye-bye.